Hey guys, it's me, Ramon. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on these notification bells, and I hope you watch this video. And and I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Oh, here it is. We're almost hitting the 400 subscribers this year. We have specifically did on 300, and we could probably do another video special, a 400 subscriber special video, just for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on these notifications, and you got yourself perfect, and I hope you enjoy this video. Goodbye. Wait, it's not even the end. We just got started. It's like it's like 1 minute and 18 seconds. Yeah. 1 minute and 18. Why we're going? Are we doing a live stream? Draw the camera! And I broke the camera. I'm on! What, Blake? Change your voice for Pete's sake. Not my fault. Whatever, continue. What else you need? You promise you won't freak out. What did you do? About this. Legs? Look up! Ah! What is that thing? It's a snipe! What? Why is it cuddly? There's no such thing. But they extinct. Ow! Wait, ow! Stop picking on me. Ow! I will punch you in the face. Ow. Hey, quit it! Whatever. You know what? I'm just gonna watch TV and forget what you brought. Hey, what? You just ate my remote, you idiot! Hey, maybe you can eat cow's trashy food. I don't know. It could work. Yeah. Hey, here's your food. Where's the food? I'm gonna get it. Okay. Here's the least I can cook. What is that balloon in the piston cup and trash paper in the pizza mask? You aren't cooking. You're just starting getting trash from the trash. Hey! You should be grateful. People will be starving for Africa for all of this. No one does. And plus, this isn't food. This is trash. This is garbage. Oh, really? You want me to try myself? You want to try it so I can make you sick, okay? Why do I cook it? It's great. It's great. You should try it. No, you're just seriously, why do I cook now? Why do I cook anymore? Or whatever. I hate this. I hate my chef. What the? He's liking his food. Oh. Except it's trash. Finally, got a new one. Now let's watch this TV. What the? It's not even working. Is there any batteries in there? How did I see it? What? There are no batteries? Wait. I'm gonna go eat them. You just ate the batteries! Yours, not mine. Great! A dumb bird ate my batteries, so I can't watch TV. He's probably gonna eat the remote too. I wonder what Scrooge will ever do wherever he finds himself an adventure. He'll say, "Blast me my pipes, that bird ate my batteries. Cost me cuts. It's gonna cost me lots and lots of money to get that fixed. Oh, look at me. I'm Scrooge. Scrooge! Scrooge this! Scrooge that! Scrooge everything! Why are you always talking about Scrooge? You heard nothing. There's always weird every time I'm in third. What you do?
Nothing.
What you do?
Nothing.
What was that, healing? Yeah, what?
Yes.
It didn't do anything.
Oh yeah, what about this?
You just got helium.
Yeah, it's gonna probably head up it all the time until the end of the video.
Okay. This bot is out of control, Brick.
No, it's not.
Really? Why is he the only one backing me?
Because he loves you.
And I'm You know, Brick, do you ever take the responsibilities?
What are you talking about?
You don't take care of the bird.
What? What do you mean?
Excuse me? We fed him For some reason, he fed him garbage. He ate my batteries for dumb reason. He's pecking on me. And we don't specifically know what you got him from.
Oh, from the forest.
Wait, what? Hey guys, did you hear some bird is in my kitchen?
No, what are you talking about?
Did you go on helium again?
Yes.
I hate helium. Anyways. Wait, did you... Yeah, wait, what does a bird eat? Yeah. I was wondering, did you let a bird in? It's a big one. It's got color feathers and he has a yellow beak. He has weird toppings on his head and he has little legs and all stuff. So I heard that they're extinct. Apparently he's the last one. So that means maybe I can, I don't know, see what if we can cook it and eat it. Or we just let it free.
Oh, let free.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You go and learn your lesson, right?
Oh, no, please. Have you heard about Space Jam?
What does Space Jam's got to do with that?
Go sing it.
Space Jam. Welcome to the
Space Jam. Welcome to the Space Jam.
No, it's like, welcome to the Space Jock. No,
Space Jam, not Jock.
That's what I said, Space Jam. Welcome to the Space Jam. New Space Jam is coming up in July. July 16. Be prepared, or you die. What? Just kidding. And we're going to get the bird out of the woods. Yeah. Right? Hey guys, just to let you know, for some reason our window's broken. We got rid of it. What? Nothing. What? Nothing. Have you, when's food ready? We're having trash. DoorDash? DoorDash. Yeah, let's go. When I'll stop. When I'll start cooking? Pretty sure not. Pretty sure not.